Okay, students, today our class will be on Japanese language. जापानी भाषा पर हम बात करेंगे. We are going to soon launch this language, Japanese language course in our institution, in our college, Saket College. This is the vision of our college director Arvind Srivastav ji and our madam principal ma'am Professor Dahilamau Srivastav ji. She wants that we should launch this Japanese language course in our institution so that our students would get benefit of this language. So because there are great job opportunities are there in our country as well as in Japan. Let me tell you, before this course there are 1500 companies are there. Japanese companies are there in India right now in India. These are Japanese companies in India, and I think more than such sort of companies maybe are in Indian companies are in Japan. So number one, why this language is most important for Indian students, because see, Indian they need great workforce in Japan. They have old age population are too much there in Japan. So this is the reason they want youngsters to work in Japan as well as in India, because they have less speakers than us. We have youngsters in India and Japan have senior citizen in India. So they need more youngsters workforce in Japan as well as in India. So why Japanese language is important? Because Japan is a monolingual country. Apart from Japanese language, they do not use any other language in Japan. So they have great problem while communication in India. Once they reach Japanese tycoons, Japanese honchos, Japanese CEO, so they have great problem with communication with the local people. So what we need to learn this language, Japanese language. In earlier lectures I told you about the importance of English, Japanese and computer is the most important for all of us to learn at this juncture. So we need to learn Japanese. So today I have written something for you here. Nihongo. Nihongo means Japanese language. Here, kyo wa nisen nijusan nen 1月13日です。金曜日です。新年明けましておめでとうございます。It means this is today's date. Today is Friday, and 新年明けましておめでとうございます mean Happy New Year. Welcome to this New Year. So in this New Year, we will try our best in the next semester onward, maybe in the next month. We will try our best to commemorate this Japanese language course so that student will be able to learn this language in our college. So this Japanese language has 3 scripts. One is called hiragana. Hiragana, right? Hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Kanji. It is like this way: hiragana, katakana, katakana, and kanji. And kanji. Hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana is used for Japanese word, and katakana is used for loan word. L-O-N, loan word. I will explain you why. And kanji mean China. G mean word. Why it is important? It is very important to learn these three scripts while writing Japanese. So people have problem with only this kanji because it is little difficult, right? So hiragana and katakana is very easy to learn. A little bit Chinese, it is Chinese characters are a little difficult. Okay, I'll give you this example. Vata Shiva, as I wrote here, Vata Shiva Indo Jin this. Vata Shiva Indo Jin this. It means I am Indian. Vata Shiva Nihon Gono Gakusai des. Vata Shiva Nihon Gono Sensei des. Vata Shiva Nihon Gono Sensei. Vata Shiva Nihon Gono Sensei des. Vata Shiva mean I am. Nihongo mean Japanese language. Sensei mean teacher. Vata Shiva Nihongo no Sensei this. I am teacher of Japanese language. First tense is Vata Shiva Indojin this. I am Indian. Vata Shiva Nihongo no Gakusai. Vata Shiva Nihongo no Sensei this. It means I am teacher of Japanese language. See here I wrote kanji. Here I wrote kanji. Kanji means Chinese character. Here hiragana. There Indo mean India is wrote in katakana. This again Chinese character kanji, again hiragana. So this is the way we need to write Japanese language. Its syllabary system is like same like Hindi, as we have A, E, hiragana. I will write here hiragana first for you. How to write hiragana? Say A, E, U, A, O. A, E, U, A, O. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Ta, Chi. This is Ta. This is Chi. Ta, Chi, Su. T-S-U. Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To. Ha, He, Hu, He, Ho. Right? Then Na, Ni, No, Ne, No. Right? Then Ma, Mi, Mo, Me, Mo. Ma, Mi, Mo, Me, Mo. Ya, Yu, Yo. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. Va, Na, N. This is nasal sound. N, nasal sound. Again, A, E, U, A, O. This is vowel system is here. A, E, U, A, O. This is Ka. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. Ya, Yu, Yo. Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To. Ha, He, Fu. This is Fu, not this is Fu. Right? This is Fu. We will write here Fu. This is Ha, he, fu, he, ho, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, ya, you, yo, wa, na. One is word is also they have this va, okay, na, okay. So this is one chart, syllabary chart is there. This is called hiragana. It is called hiragana. H-I-R-A. Hiragana. See here vowel sound. One consonant sound, one 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 vowel sound. CV formula is there. So according to this formula, we will learn this language. This is hiragana I explain here. Same it is the way script is different. Then we will write katakana. Why katakana is required? Katakana is required for loan words. For loan words. L-O-N. Loan words. Which those words which does not exist in Japanese culture. Which does not exist in Japanese culture. So we will use katakana. For that purpose, we will use katakana. Same script is like that. Katakana is also there. That katakana is there, like it is called katakana. 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 Kata means one-sided. Kana means script. Kana means script. Script. उसका लिपि किसमें लिखना. Kata means one-sided. One-sided. One side. Let us suppose I want to write India, then I will write here Indo. This is katakana. I want Indo. I want to write America, America. I want to write Saket, Saketo, Gaku, Daigaku. Daigaku means college or university. Saketo Daigaku. Right? I want to write England. It is called Igirisu. This is Tintin is there. These two dots are called Tintin. Igirisu means England. So this is the way we will write this Japanese language. And here I wrote kanji Nihongo. Nihongo means Japanese language. Nihon means Japan. Nihon means Japan. Go means language, Japanese language. So this is called Japanese language. I told you there are three scripts are there: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Kanji means Chinese character. So there are about, in total there are I think 3000 Chinese characters are there in Japanese language, but that is too much to learn. One can become a native speaker. Even if you know 1000 character in Chinese character, 1000 or more than 1200, you can easily survive in Japan. Because guys, once you go to Japan, you will not find even a single signboard in English language, right? You cannot speak Hindi there. People may not understand English. So let us suppose you want to go in bathroom, you need water, such sort of small things. Then how will you communicate with people? So better you should learn this Japanese as well as English, and we will try our best to teach you this language. Only books are required, notebooks we have here. So within I think 6 months you will catch up these three scripts and more kanji. In this way we will roll out our Japanese language course. Thank you very much. 今日はどうもありがとうございました。いろいろな世話になりました。